Welcome back to Product Critique, where we give you the real scoop on the latest gear for your home. Today, we're featuring the best indoor stove grill currently on the market, the Chefman XL Electric Griddle. Let's get right into it. The Chefman XL Electric Griddle is a powerhouse countertop companion built for families, food lovers, and breakfast enthusiasts. With a spacious 10 by 20 inch non-stick cooking surface, this griddle gives you the freedom to cook big meals without juggling multiple pans. Whether you're flipping pancakes, searing burgers, or frying eggs, it's got the room and heat to handle it all. What makes this griddle a standout is its adjustable temperature control. You can fine-tune it anywhere between 200 and 420 degrees Fahrenheit, which means you're not just stuck with high, medium, or low, you get precision. Need to warm tortillas on one side and cook bacon on the other? It's versatile enough to handle multi-zone cooking. The non-stick aluminum surface isn't just about easy flipping, it also helps you cook with less oil, making your meals a little healthier without sacrificing flavor. And speaking of health-conscious features, the built-in drip tray neatly collects all the excess oil and grease. It slides right out for fast cleanup, making post-meal messes less of a chore. Cleaning this griddle is one of its best features. Just remove the temperature control and you can fully immerse the cooktop in water. That's right, it's dishwasher safe and designed to be completely washable. That alone makes it more convenient than most stove grills on the market today. Design-wise, the griddle is sleek and modern with a matte black finish that fits seamlessly into any kitchen setup. At just over 4 pounds, it's surprisingly lightweight but sturdy enough to feel secure during use. It's powered by 1500 watts of cooking strength, and it's UL approved with advanced safety features for peace of mind. Now, here's a heads up for international buyers. It runs on 120 volts. So if you're outside the US, you'll probably need a voltage converter. Just keep that in mind before clicking the buy button. Whether you're prepping breakfast for 5, grilling up a late-night snack, or need extra cooking surface during holidays, the Chefman XL makes it easy to feed a crowd without taking up your whole stove. So if you're ready to level up your indoor cooking game, the Chefman XL Electric Griddle should be at the top of your list. It's convenient, easy to clean, and big enough to handle just about anything you throw on it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment telling us what you'd cook first on this grill. Until next time, keep cooking smart.